Hello, our dear students. We are going to study lesson 3 in unit 2 in algebra, multiplying and dividing algebraic terms. First, by multiplying the like terms, like that, if we have 2 power 3, we know that 2 power 3 means 2 times 2 times 2, so we can repeat 2, 3 times, okay? It will be 8. 2 power 2, yes, repeat 2 times, so we can say that 2 power 2 equals 2 times 2, which is equal 4. 2 power 5 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 5 times, it will be 32. Okay, but we know that 8 times 4 equal 32 also, so we can write it as, yes, the result of 8 is 2 power 3, 4 is 2 power 2, so we can write 2 power 3 times 2 power 2 will equal 2 power 5. We note that here we add the indices of the same base, so when multiplying the like terms we add the indices, so 2 power 3 times 2 power 2 will equal 2 times power 3 plus 2, which is equal to power 5 equals 32. When multiplying the same bases, we add the powers or indices. Yes, we know that when multiplying the equal or same bases, we add the indices. The general form of multiplying the same bases is a power n times a power m, so we can say that it will be a power n plus m, such as a is a rational number, n and m are positive integers. Okay? Dividing the like terms, by the same example we can say that 2 power 3 equal 2 times 2 times 2, 2 power 2 is 2 times 2, 2 power 5 is 2, repeated 5 times, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal 32. Now when you divide 32 by 2, you can say that it will be 2 power 5 divided 2 power 2, which is equal to power 3. That means that we subtract the indices or the power of the same bases when dividing it together. So when dividing the like terms, we can subtract the powers. Yes, when dividing the same bases, we subtract the indices or the powers. The general form will be a power n divided a power m. It will be a power n minus m, such as a is a rational number, n and m are also two positive integers, such that n is greater than or equal m, and this is the condition for dividing. Okay, multiplying the algebraic terms. Okay, we can say that 3y times 2x, we multiply the numerical coefficient to get 3 times 2 and then multiply the algebraic coefficient together, it will be yx, so the result will be 3 times 2, 6yx or 6xy. It's the same. So when multiplying the algebraic term, we multiply the numerical factor first, then multiply the algebraic factors together. Okay, when multiplying the algebraic terms, first we multiply the coefficient by using the sign rule, then multiplying the symbols by adding the indices of the symbols which have the like bases, and this will be obvious in the next examples. Find the result of the following. First example, 5a power 3b times 3ab. Yes, we have 5 and 3 as numerical coefficient, so we must multiply them together. 5 times 3 will be 15. A power 3 times a, adding the indices, it will be a power 4. B power 1 times b power 1 will be b power 2, so the result will be 15 a power 4 b power 2 as false. The second example, 2 over 5 x squared times negative 15x cubed. The third example, 3 over 4 a power 2 times 4 over 3a. Okay, yes, we said that the first example result will be 15 a power 4 b power 2. The second one, by timing the coefficients, yes, it will be negative 6x power 5, because we have x power 2 and x power 3. When multiplying the same basis, we add the powers, so it will be x power 2 plus 3, which is equal 5. The last example, by multiplying the two fractions together, it will be 3 times 4 over 4 times 3. A power 2 times a will be a power 3. In the simplest form, it will be a power 3 or a cubed. Dividing the algebraic terms by the same way, we use the same rule as follows. When dividing the algebraic terms, we must divide the coefficients using the sign rule, and then divide the symbols by subtracting the indices of the symbols which have the same basis or the like basis. Let's have some examples to understand the division. Find the quotient of each of the following. 12a cubed by 3a power 1 or a. Okay, we can divide 12 by 3, which is equal 4. A power 3 divided a will equal a power 2 as follows. Okay, so it will be 4a power 2 in the simplest form. Second example, 21x by negative 3. Yes, it will be 21 divided negative 3 will be negative 7. X divided 1, it will be x. So the result or the quotient will be negative 7x. Negative 24a power 5 b power 3 c power 2 divided by negative 8a power 2 b. The coefficient divided by each other, it will be negative 24 divided negative 8 by the sign rule, it will be, yes, positive 3. Yes, a power 5 divided a power 2 will be a power 3. B power 3 divided b will be b power 2. C power 2 divided 1 will be c power 2. Yes, it will be in the simplest form 3a power 3 b power 2 c power 2. Yes.